Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are out with Mr. Pogi and Omar TV. We're just gonna go up dito sa downtown Summerlin para maiba naman yung ating view sa vlog. Nakamute tayo ngayon para hindi nila naririnig yung ating introduction. Nandito na tayo sa west part ng town, Red Rock area. Yung pinupuntahan namin na scenic route, so doon pa yon, pataas pa yon. Dito to medyo malapit sa freeway. And we're gonna go, may shopping mall dyan na pwede namin i-ride ng konti. We're gonna show that to you guys. And then also we're gonna test out yung bagong setup ni Pogi. See, meron siyang GoPro and meron siyang 360. Kanina pa kami nagtetest actually malapit sa bahay. Pero kailangan kasi namin ng matinong lighting. Ito na yung pinakamalapit na naisip namin na lugar. So we're gonna start from here. I-on na natin yung cardo para makausap natin sila.
Helmet setup. That's why we went for a ride.
Yo, what's up guys? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up? What's up?
What's up? We're gonna turn on Pogi's camera. Right here, right here? Okay, right here, right here. Yun.
Hey, you took out your tail, huh?
No, Nino took my tail. Because
Oh, you put a Mickey Mouse?
yeah, it looks good on Mickey Mouse. Oops. Alright, you are Gucci. Okay,
Let's go ahead. You got 60s.
Pogi, you take the lead. Just keep riding around the Summerlin downtown.
Okay.
Ito medyo bago-bago to eh. Gano'n na katagal to, Mac? May 5 years na ba to?
Oh, may 5 years na to. Nung inabutan tayo ng ulan dito. Yeah. Nung inabutan tayo ng ulan dito, hindi pa na nagpa-vlog, no?
Nagwa-vlog na?
Wala pa, no?
Multistrada?
Oh,
Yeah. We are. Naka-vlog yun actually.
It's somewhere there.
Yep.
Check the playlist, guys.
Check nyo na yung playlist. Nanggaling na kami dito pero naka-multistrada kami. Yawn! What's up, Pogi? You're gonna say anything to your vlog, man? Are you still nervous?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hey, it's a stop sign, Pimpin. But nobody's around, so keep
But nobody's around. You gotta do the California stop.
California
California
stop.
stuff. And this is downtown Summerlin. It's a what you call this?
Yayamanin.
Outdoor mall where the rich people goes.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like Eastwood in the Philippines.
Oh yeah,
But
Eastwood.
Without the big ass mall.
It's like Eastwood.
That's coffee shop right there, but that's closed. Yeah, it's
I don't
closed.
think something is open in this area.
So we'll make a right again. I'm left.
Yeah, left.
Make a left.
Just keep going around. Let's make some noise here. Oh, is that a popo? Is that a popo?
And you're in the wrong way.
Hi.
Is this one way? It's not one way, right?
Foggy don't give a shit. Oh shit, the New York Pizza is still open? No, it's closed.
Bonanos. We can park by the motorcycle parking that we used to park there.
Okay.
By the falls. By the falls, no?
Waterfalls across.
Huh? By Magianos.
Magianos.
Yeah, make a ride over there.
Yeah, somebody's dead.
Oh, right there. Yep. We could park there. Or, yeah. Go to, folks, fix your bike.
Oh, backwards.
Come on, man.
A new vlogger here, Pogi. I think it's time.
That's the mic.
That's the mic.
Guys, comment down below what should be the channel's name.
Yeah, for Pogi.
What's up? I'm Pogi. Know what I'm saying?
Konti lang Tagalog niya. Okay, you guys take the lead.
What, folks?
Gonna go to the Chevron on
No, the Sharon,
Charleston and Buffalo.
Buffalo. Okay.
yeah. Yeah, I'm just planning to make a 15-minute video, now it's 25 minutes.
More watch hours for you, bro.
You have to make a certain amount of videos or what?
I'm already like at 160 for the last year and a half, I think.
Woo-wee.
My bike is saying it's 81 degrees. That doesn't make sense.
Really?
Yeah, there's no way it's 81. Maybe Bieber is hot.
Hey, he got flames.
Oh yeah, it's always hot.
You grinding.
He got flames. It's gonna be hot.
Hey folks, before we make it to the gas station, you should say bye to your vlog, okay? We're gonna hear you. Don't be shy.
No pressure, folks. Okay, we're like that too. In the beginning.
No pressure?
No pressure. Just do it like nobody's watching, man.
Yeah, do it like nobody's watching. Only us. Bieber fast, bro.
You're showing 74, nothing.
Oh, really? Woo! I like it.
It's a sweet spot, 12.5.
12.5, yeah. I'm gonna use this to work tomorrow.
Okay, it's Sunday. Oh, scooter, baby.
What's up? Scooter gang gang. Beep beep.
Okay.
Hey, dog.
Hey guys, thank you for joining us tonight.
Huh?
I'm gonna be signing off on my vlog tonight. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
And then folks, you get out of the bike. And then do your outro here. Look at this camera, because I'm gonna use the volume from this one anyway. Say bye to that. Say bye.
Bye, Cameron. That's it, huh?
I guess. Okay, press it.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
Later, Bogey.
Later, folks.
See you tomorrow.
Mañana it
Thanks
is.
for the ride.
For sure.
And the help.
Yeah, at least
Shizzy.
we figured out your mic situation.
Good night.
Good night. Ah, shit. We missed it. I know.
Sana. Putang ina, gloves. Ang lagay yung gloves ko. Ako naman walang gloves.
Nandyan?
May kulang.
Oh, nasa, okay. Basta hindi naiwan sa gas station.
Ay, may kulang.
Ganun yung pakiramdam ko kanina eh. Let's go.
Yeah.
Gumagana na uli yung ano ko, yung fuel gauge ko.
Fuel gauge? Nakapit ba yung mga?
Kinabit na airpot. Good night na. Papaalam na si si Omar TV.
Thanks, Mike Bomac.
Thank you.
Ito wala sa planong ride talaga.
11, alas 12 na. I'll see you later, man.
See you later, man.
See you later, good night.
That's the Sunday to work day. Good night. Ingat.
Okay, for sure.
Alright. Uuwi na talaga.
Alright guys, we are finally home. Tapos na ang ating quick ride for tonight. Sana quick lang naman yung edit natin. Pero i-edit rin natin yung footage ni Pogi para matulungan natin siya dun sa una. Tsaka para malaman natin yung timpla nung audio niya kung maganda. Thank you again for coming with us for our short ride tonight. Nag-testing lang tayo ng audio tsaka ng mga camera ni Mr. Pogi. So hopefully we'll see him on YouTube soon. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Today is actually Vespa Sunday. It's already midnight. So bukas, trabaho na tayo uli. We're gonna take the Bieber to work tomorrow. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Good night.